Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel AashiEdu, and you can see my back. This is my hair back, and so wonderful looking. Somebody give the in birthday mine. I saw you in the video if pack clipped. So I will tell you what is inside the something. Let's open it. So this is you can tell, and you can, and this is my backpack. Now let's open the what is that inside. So I will tell you what is that inside. Things. Let's watch it. Wow, this is the kitchen set. Wow, only one to watch. Wow, do you see that? Oops. So wow, remote. Remote looking so cute. You can see. So now what is that inside? Oh, ball! Wow, it's so good. And something else. No, we see. Wow, it's a cool thing. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Bye.